Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good evening, Mr. Ari and friends. Thank you so much for having me. Today, I want to tell you a little bit about gambling. This is the topic that at that time I cannot join your class. I'm so sorry because I got sick, but I want to say thank you so much because you give me opportunity to change this class to be a video. So I will do the best. And I'm the positive affirmation from this debate. Okay, the topic is gambling. Gambling is a term and often used to refer to some activities, namely game of change, getting money or other valuables. And yeah, gambling is very popular right now. Many kinds of gambling. We can say like um, online gambling, sport gambling, or popular one is like a toggle or something like that. Okay, like I said before that I'm in a positive affirmation. But I think it's very difficult for me to find the positive affirmation from the gambling activities. Yeah. So, positive impact from the gambling activities as whole. Most studies experience shows that gambling is the negative impact has more negative impacts than positive. But I try to make a positive statement or positive impact from the gambling. Okay, the first is about the money of the gambling can increase the okay I'm sorry. So can increase the government revenue, the job creation, and also the increase the fee of tourism. Government revenue. Some countries get revenue from gambling. For gambling industries. This revenue can be turned used to fund various public programs like education and infrastructure. However, it is important to remember that its income is often obtained at the expense of public welfare, especially for those who are addicted to gambling. And the second one is job creation. The gambling industry can create jobs in various factors such as casinos, online gambling, like I said before, and other related. However, its number of jobs created is often not commensurate with the negative impact. And the last one is tourism. Okay, so yeah, maybe that's all for me. Thank you. Thank you so much for your nice attention. And I'm so sorry if I have a mistake. And the last I say, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.